everybody, I hope you're all well. I'm so sorry that we're not in school at the moment. As you know, a few of us are a bit poorly and that means that we're not in school, so please don't worry, everybody's absolutely fine and all of the staff are taking really good care of each other as well as working really hard on all of your home learning. So normally at this time of year in school we'd be doing lots of Christmas singing, planning for our nativities, all sorts of fun things like that. And because we're not together enjoying those things, we thought maybe we could do some of those things and make Christmas spirit come alive from home. So a few of us are making videos. You've already seen some arts and crafts with Mrs. Stanley and storybook with Mrs. Curtis, and there's plenty more to come. So I thought I'd start with my first set of videos with a little book that I found at home, which is called Can You Find 1001 Christmas Things? And this is a kind of Where's Wally type book, so I thought we'd have a look together, see what we can find and go from there. Okay everyone, so I found this book that I thought maybe we could have a look at together and go through over the next couple of weeks, and it is called Can You Find 1001 Christmas Things? And there's some examples on the front of kind of the type of things we might be looking for as we go through the book, so let's have a look. So this is our first page here that we'll be looking at. So I'm going to zoom in a bit smaller and we'll have a look at what the writing says together, and then we'll have a look at the picture afterwards. And then maybe if you're watching this on a television or an iPad or something like that, you might be able to pause it while you have a look for all the things that we're looking for. So our first page says, Can you find 1001 Christmas things? Hi there, welcome to Santa's Winter Wonderland. Holly and Noel have joined Santa at the North Pole just as he's beginning to prepare for the busiest night of the year, Christmas Eve. There are plenty of festive things for you to see and find. In fact, there are over 1,000 of them. Holly and Noel are hiding on every page, and there's Holly and Noel just there so we can see what they look like and who we're looking for. Once you have found them, each page has little pictures at the side to show you what to search for. See if you can find everything in the pictures, from mice with antlers to sacks of presents. Shall we practice first? See if you can spot Holly and Noel on the opposite page. They've joined the elves at elf school, but where are they? Once you've found them, see if you can find all the things in the pictures below. So we've got some things here to look for. We've got 2 practice chimneys, 5 chalkboard rubbers, and 10 elf pencil cases. Okay, so let's have a look here at our first Christmas scene. Our elf school. Can you find our 2 main characters, Holly and Noel? Does anyone know why they might be called Holly and Noel as main characters in a Christmas book? Why they might have those names particularly? Can you spot our 2 practice chimneys? How about our 5 chalkboard rubbers? And trickiest of all on this page, can you find our 10 elf pencil cases? So if you need a bit more time with this one, just give the video a pause here and have a really good look and try and search for all the things that we're looking for, and then we'll move on. So here we are in our second scene. Let's have a look what this one says. So this one is the mail room. Holly and Noel have found Santa's mail room. Oh, what a busy place. Can you spot Holly and Noel among the post elves sorting letters for Santa? So this would be where all of your letters for Santa go. So let's have a look at this scene. Can you spot Holly and Noel? I'm sure some of you are very eagle-eyed and have already spotted them. And then let's have a look at what other things we need to find in this scene. Okay, so it says, can you search the busy mailroom for these things too? We have 1 mailbox, 2 wheelbarrows, 3 mail containers, 4 cups of hot chocolate, 5 inkwells, 6 messenger penguins, 7 doll-shaped paper chains, 8 red bows, 9 blue envelopes, 10 star-shaped paper chains, and 20 mail bags or bags of mail. Now on this page there's quite a lot of things for us to find, so what it might be a good idea to do here is to pause the video and write yourself a little list just to remind you when you're looking afterwards of all these things that you need to be searching for. Okay, so here we are. This is our entire second scene, our mailroom scene. And you've already written your list of the things that it is that you need to be looking for. So can you find them? Can you find 1 mailbox, 2 wheelbarrows, 3 mail containers, 4 cups of hot chocolate, 5 inkwells, 6 messenger penguins, 7 doll-shaped paper chains, and 8 red bows? What about 9 blue envelopes and 10 star-shaped paper chains and 20 bags of mail? Now, some of those are a bit trickier than others, so if you need a bit more time, pause the video, have a good look, see what you can find. And I'm going to leave it there today, and I'll be back to have a look at the next couple of pages next time. Take care.